Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to hide birthday party on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat on your phone. Now, tap on the profile icon, located at the top left corner of your screen. And it will take you to your profile. You can see the settings icon, located at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. After tapping on settings, you will see many options. From there, choose birthday. There you will see the birthday party option with the check icon. Tap on it, and uncheck the box. And you will successfully hide your birthday party on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to hide birthday party on Snapchat. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.